Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you 5 best DIY coconut oil hair mask. Number 1, you need coconut oil plus lemon juice for dandruff. It removes your hair dandruff very easily. In second recipe, you need coconut oil plus aloe vera gel for best hair growth. In number 3, you need coconut oil plus honey that will shiny hairs. If you want shiny hairs, you need coconut oil plus honey. For best result, you can use it twice a week. At fourth recipe, you need coconut oil plus egg. If you need any recipe for damaged hair, this one is bestest recipe for damaged hairs. You must apply at least once a week or twice a week. In fifth recipe, you need coconut oil plus tea tree oil for